Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great.
Make it, make it, Daddy, make it.
कितना अच्छा सोफे पे बैठे
Today I'm sharing an unedited video to give you all a glimpse of how I create my content. Not only me, everyone encounters these kinds of challenges during filming process. Uh, I have to capture multiple shots to pick the best one later. This is how I film my video. I really care about keeping things natural, so I don't edit out the sounds around me. While some creators focus on the perfect quality of their videos and voiceovers, it's perfectly fine with the choice. Whereas I prefer the raw and authentic feel of my process. Mix all the dry ingredients in a mug, mix them well, and then add the wet ingredients. Again, mix them well and microwave for just 1 minute. And your brownies are ready.
Go, G, butter, ash, ash. Mm, do, do, do.
This is me and my grandson filming this video, and usually it happens all the time. Every time I film my video, this little kid is with me, makes noises, and addresses me, and I enjoy this.
Daddy, daddy.
Of course, it's not always smooth sailing. Many times I also face challenges like missing ingredients or struggling with my camera stand. Sometimes I just can't figure out the right angles. And this is how what goes on behind the scenes of what you see on my YouTube channel. I really don't find the right angle for my video. I just go and watch in the camera, then I come again, then I just lean on the screen to see uh, what is being seen there and what is being uh, recorded there.
Daddy, 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 daddy.
If you are new to my channel, hello there. Make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I usually post my videos
जी
one
जी
after
जी
another.
नो
Daddy, daddy, daddy,
जी जी नो बेबी
daddy, 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 daddy.
If you don't have grated chocolate, you can add chocolate chips
Oh,
and microwave this just for 1 minute, 60 seconds. And this flaky brownie is ready for you. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.